Today we're going to do your style your hair comparison with the new Shark FlexStyle IonCurl compared to the Shark FlexStyle. What's the difference in these two great tools? We're going to break it down today, so watch till the end. We're going to give you a very good infographic that gives you the exact side-by-side benefits so you can decide which one is best for you. Now first, let's talk about that new product, the Shark IonCurl. Then I'm going to show you a styling tutorial with all of the tools of each one, and we're going to compare them side by side and show you how to use each one. We're going to have your hair go from flab, drab to fab. Watch all the way to the end for all the benefits of this great new tool, how it compares to the tried and true Shark FlexStyle. First, here is the Shark IonCurl. It's new, it's just out on the market just for a few days, and boy, is it fabulous. I love the way this tool styles. But today, we're gonna focus on the differences between the IonCurl and the original Shark style, what they have in common and what the differences are. Let's get started. They both have powerful fast drying, they both have Coanda effect curling wraps, and they both have really good wet and dry styling. And we're also going to look at the differences in the technical motors. They have Coanda wrap stylers. Now, the Shark Ion that is just out comes with the pieces that you see here. You have the Coanda curlers, you have the oval brush, you have the FlexStyle dramatic base, and you have the Glam Frizz control and the focused hair dry styler. Now, the FlexStyle has been out for a little bit, so it comes with a couple of different options. You can get it with a diffuser, which is what I chose when I purchased this, and you can also get it with the focus styler, and you can also get it with the glam piece added on. It is available in both of these models. What you do have in common is super fast styling, and you have that iconic flex motor. You have the iconic flex base that allows you to get any angle, front, side, back of your hair. This is only in the Shark FlexStyle. It's proprietary and it is fabulous. The new Ion Curler is built in the same way, but oh, is it different. It is gorgeous. It is lavender. It is sleek and full of bling. Now, it operates in the same way. It has the power button, 3 heats, 3 speeds, and the cool shot, which is an awesome new feature. Now, the cool shot allows you to make that curl, style it perfectly, and then give it a cool shot and cool it down, which closes the cuticles and helps that curl style last longer. Now, you double that with the new Ion Smooth technology, which is just over 200 million negative ions, which takes the frizz under control. Frizz is no longer a problem. It has left the chat. You will have beautiful frizz-free hair with this new technology from the Shark Ion Curl. I love this technology. Watch and see how it works, and I will show you each and every style tool with this, as well as compare it to the FlexStyle. Now, I did a style with this and it lasted for 3 days. I am so pleased with how well the ion control technology makes the style last. Now, you can take it from wet to dry, or you can just style a dry style and fluff it up as if you're getting a blowout at a salon. Let's look at each tool. Let's look at the technical truths of the motors of each tool. The Shark FlexStyle Air Multi-Styler, the original, has powerful airflow, advanced temperature sensing, fast drying speed. It has a compact digital motor, high RPM fast drying, reliable Coanda effect, and quick response cool shot. They both have this flexible bend. They're about the same size. I think the Ion might be just a tad heavier. And the FlexStyle is efficient all-around styling power. They both have similar motors and air vents, and they each have the very important swivel cord that allows you to move freely around your hair. This fabulous oval brush is just the right shape. Now, they both are very similar. I think they're almost identical, actually, maybe just a little bit wider on the IonCurl, and the staggered bristles with extending bristles and the nylon shorter bristles gives you a perfect combination for smoothing your hair. While these oval brushes are similar, the Ion brush has Ion Smooth technology, and they both have a Frizz Fighter polish attacher, an air set button in scalp shield mode, and Coanda boost mechanics. The new additions to the motor in the IonCurl are the optimized RPM ion delivery and the high generator with the 200 million plus negative ions to help balance out the frizz. A very valuable addition. And another piece is the targeted air set Cool Shot Logic Advanced Technology. While both systems have the focused air dryer, overall the iconic twisting base that effortlessly transforms from a powerful hair dryer to an elongated styling wand, the IonCurl introduces that massive output over 200 million negative ions to dramatically reduce static electricity through all of these tools that you see here. And it will lock in 24 hours of shine and tame stubborn flyaways. They each have 1.25 curling barrels for maximum definition. The ion curler seems to have these different divisions rather than just long straight air vents. They both go in opposite directions, one for the left and the right side of the hair. Be sure to put in your preventative spray, and you can adjust the heat and the air settings, and both offer no heat damage. Now this is the ion curler. We're going to do this side of our hair with it, and it's so simple. It is strong. I feel the powerful connection of the pull is a little bit stronger than the FlexStyle, and I can feel it in here. It feels as if the curl is latching quicker. The IonCurl offers the new ion technology combined with the Kawanda effect, which is very dramatic. You can really feel the difference. This is a high quality machine. Now we're going to complete that curl and give it the cool shot for 10 seconds. And look at that, a really bouncy, concentrated curl. Now I'm going to do one on the other side with the FlexStyle here for comparison. And then I'm going to do them all over my head and show you the results in the end. But the FlexStyle feels the same in the base. It has the options in speed and heat and the cool shot, which we'll do for 10 seconds and let it go. It is also a nice bouncy curl. It seems to be a little bit looser than the IonCurl. Let's look at the full style all over and let you be the judge. And just for fun, we tried to do it at the same time, which was challenging, but we did it. Now you see the overall styles. Now the curls are coiled and I have not brushed them out, but you can see that they're both beautiful. I think that the IonCurl is a little bit tighter and I think that they will last longer. And the FlexStyle has kind of a beachy wave feel to it. Also very pretty, just different styles depending on whichever you want. Now we're going to brush them out with the oval brush so you can see that fabulous tool as well. Now we're going to tell you about the specialized component in the IonCurl. This is a Frizz Fighter high shine polisher. It's an upgraded tool that vacuums away frizz. It will eliminate flyaways and give you an ultimate shine. It is awesome. Now with the FlexStyle, I got the model with the diffuser, and the oval brush is available on both of these models. They both are great with the extended handle that you can twist, using it as my brush away tool for brushing out my curls. I love them both. You can use the heat and speed, or not at all, and use it as a fabulous brush for your styles. It also is great when your hair is wet to program it in a smooth flat style, then begin styling. I love it, and is a great tool to brush out curls if you choose to do so. I love the way it's brushed out my curls, so without eliminating them, just giving them a fluff, and it is super with that extended handle that flexes. Now on the FlexStyle side, the brush is very similar, and it also does a great job with the cool shot, with the speed and the heat, and you can use it to brush out your curls or just to style from wet to dry. It's fabulous, and it uses both those levels of bristles to give you a smooth, sleek style, and it gives you a good blowout look with soft beachy waves. Both of these come with this fabulous oval brush, and it is a great tool, a must-have for all styling devices. Now, we're going to take another look at the overall style. I'm very pleased with the one from the Flex Ion and from the FlexStyle. Watch the end for the infographic. I know you will love this great ion tool. And the Shark FlexStyle is a bestseller for a reason. Both of these great tools are winners depending on what you like. Like and follow us for more from this great brand. You can't go wrong with either one of these.